Sharon's here. It's my Chit Chat and Q&A day. I'm so glad you could join me. Boy, I've got some really interesting questions and one that may really surprise you girls, okay? And for all of you that are new today, I invite you to please scroll on down and hit my subscribe button and the little bell next to it. Go ahead and click that too. It'll be notifying you of all my upcoming videos. I generally film Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. All right, my ladies, I can't wait to start with these. These are pretty good ones. Now, I've got to start with one that came across my phone not too long before I started here. So I want to cover that one right away. And it says, Dear Sharon, my name is Stephanie. I had to get hold of you because I need severe advice. I mean quickly. I noticed that your hair always is shiny and healthy looking. Please tell me what you do. My hair seems like it is getting very dry right now with the weather changing. What should I put on it to possibly help with the dryness and give it luster? The holidays are approaching. Please help me. I went to the best of the best. My daughter is a stylist, and I went to her, and she said, you got to put on a leave-in conditioner. That will help tremendously. Also, argan oil, she said, is the key now for your scalp and the ends of your hair. And she said a hair mask intensive conditioner at least once a month. She uses both on me all the time. Whatever both is. She uses them all the time on me. So that's what we gotta do, girlfriends, okay? And if you need any brands, I'll have to go back and ask her about that, okay? Because you know me, girlfriends, I don't do my own hair. I get it done once a week all the time, and I get it bleached every other week, so what's a girl to do? The next question that we have, this is from Stephanie. Stephanie says, how do I pick the best lipstick color for my skin tone, Sharon, and what colors are going to be popular for fall lipsticks? Well, you know, I did a video, I don't know, it was months back, on how to pick the lipstick colors, but let me just kind of brief you on that now. The best way is to figure out what skin tone you are. If you're cool or if you're warm. I, in particular, am a cool tone gal. So when I go to buy lipsticks, I go to the counter, and they know I'm cool tone. I say I'm looking for all these cool tone fabulous lipsticks. I pick out only 5 that I want to try. And I try each one to see which looks best on me. And it's a lot easier to just try 5, because after that your lips are going to be so sore, girlfriend, you won't stand it. Don't try to swatch it on your skin because you can't see the real color. Okay, it's better to actually try it on your lips itself. And sometimes I'll try just right under here at the neck, but I find that the best color is when you try it on your lips. So I would do that. And if they don't have any little like Neutrogena wipes or something simple to wipe it off with, take your own, you know, a little sample of them in your purse so you can wipe the lipsticks off as you're trying. But girlfriends, the colors for fall are just almost like every other year. We're doing tons and tons of plums. They're doing more sheen over the plums. So check into all of your metallics. You can get those at the drugstore, the L'Oreal metallics that you can put on top. Give them that sheen, make them look lovely. I wore a couple, you know, back in a couple of videos that you gals liked. One of them was the MAC Captive, and I put the Moonlist metallics over it. Then I was wearing the Tom Ford Plum Lush, I think, and I was also wearing the metallic over it as well. So any type of plum colors are great. Now, you can still wear, obviously, nudes. They're a year-round type of thing. But if you're going to wear a nude, I would like to recommend the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It's a darker nude that gives you bump. And I'll tell you what I did the other night. I wore that color, and I wish I should have worn it today, because I put the metallic on top of the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and oh my gosh! It just stood out. Everybody and their dog stopped me at the restaurant going, what have you got on your lips? And it just gave that color some oomph, if you know what I mean. So you might want to try that, okay? Thanks for your question, girlfriend. I hope that helped tremendously. And now is the time, and of course, please, 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 please do not forget your reds. Reds are hotter than they've ever been. And if you get a great normal red, like a Revlon red, or, you know, any of the MAC reds, put the man-eater topper on top of it if you're going to a holiday event. Girlfriends, it'll give you that hot sheen that I wore in that video that you all like so much. Sparkle sheen that I put on top, man-eater, was by Smashbox, okay? That topper is great on top of any reds, even if they're blue reds, orange reds. It looks hot. You will just pop. You will just stand right out. You're going to be so sexy, girlfriends. Oh, yeah. Okay, the next question that I have here. Oh, any tips on wearing white in the winter? I see many different women following this trend, but I'm still not sure how to wear it myself or pull this off. And is it still in style? Oh, it's going to stay in style. Yes, you can wear white all year round. You can wear white jeans. You can wear white pants. You can wear an ivory white. You can wear a winter white. I mean, any type of white is acceptable. If you feel more comfortable with an ivory white, then go for it. I personally wear all different colors. I got another new pair of booties the other day, girlfriends, and I got them in the white booties with the pointed toes, and oh my gosh, they look so cute with black pants and with my black jeans. It was hot, and I wore my white leather jacket with it. Listen, please, I put them all to shame, okay? So yes, white is still in. White everywhere. And you know what is good looking too at Christmas time, I can tell you, is an all-white matching pantsuit, because you know the matchy-matchy has been back in this year again. So if you get the blazer top perhaps in white with the matching pants to go with it, another white shirt underneath, whether it's ruffled or it's got a big bow tie or whatever, you are going to be hot and in style for Christmas. You can use red accessories with it. You can stick with black accessories. But right now, all white is going to be in all through the winter. I pay no attention to the old school ways, because I know that's the way it was in our days. You know, after Easter, you know, hello, no white. But it's no longer that way and hasn't been for years. So we got to stay in the trend, girlfriends, okay? At least that trend. Doesn't hurt you a bit. Okay, the next question. Ladies, you're going to love this. I am a man, a very classy man, I might add. Right. And I have followed your channel for years now. And I was wondering if you had any tips for men wanting to get Botox and fillers. And can we even do this? I use every medical grade product that you have recommended. And believe me, I do look 15 years younger. My skin is to die for. But I do have some deep smile lines, and I have some other deep lines coming up around my eyes. So what do you think? This is what I think. And I am so proud of you for asking a question that you're not afraid to get on here. We ladies appreciate that, don't we, ladies? Now, come on, ladies, come on. You know, hello. I mean, this is a man that cares about the way he looks. And because, you know, a lot of your husbands look like yesterday's bad news, so maybe this guy can give some advice to them, all right? Let me tell you, I think it is absolutely wonderful that a man cares enough about his looks and his crow's feet and his nasolabial lines. I say go for it. If you have deep lines, go to your dermatologist and talk to them about getting some fillers or Botox. Listen, when I go into the dermatologist to get any of my work done, or my plastic surgeon, there are as many men sitting out in the waiting room with us gals, okay, as there are women. Now, in Texas right now, the percentage of men getting Botox and everything is 42%. So they get Botox and they get fillers as well, and they don't look so haggard, and it's kind of nice. You know, because if you're all decked out, you know, you want somebody on your sleeve that looks, you know, pretty sharp. You know what I mean? But there, too, a lot of these men can get these bargains, like Groupons. You've got Groupons in every state and every city where, you know, you can go and get, you know, your treatments a little cheaper. So I'd say try that. But yes, thank you so much for contacting me. I'm so proud of you that you're using medical grade, and I'm proud that it's working for you. But yes, by all means, contact your dermatologist. Contact mine, honey, and go in if you're in the Dallas area, okay? That'll be great. And I have all of that listed in other videos, as you well know. So I appreciate that. And good luck to you. You got to send us the picture and let us see how pretty you are after you get everything done, okay? Thanks for your question. I appreciate it. How about that, ladies and men? Watching our channel. See, I told you. Okay. Going into winter, and it doesn't give her name here, which, you know, girls, you should have told me I needed my readers. Okay. Going into winter, should I switch my makeup to a cream or liquid base instead of a powder, and which provides more moisture for the skin? When you get our age, I am not fond of a powder makeup of any kind for a foundation. Now, back when we were 40, we could use some Bare Minerals, and that kind of worked pretty good. And I'm not saying it still doesn't work pretty good for some now. I mean the original Bare Minerals. But right now, and especially with the season changing and in middle age, I am going to say any type of liquid foundation. If your skin is dry, find one that has more oil in it, like the Capture Total by Dior. One that I absolutely love is Estee Lauder's Perfectionist, because it has more oil in it. You know, those are just a couple of them. And the YSL Touche Éclat, you know, the newer one, obviously. But these are the best ones that I think are for hydration. Now, I'm not saying there are not others out there. Those are the ones that hit my head the quickest, being, you know, kind of top shelf level. And any type of creams, I think, are lovely. I think that any type of the cushion foundations are nice, especially in more Pacific, okay? Because their cushion makeup, now, it doesn't last very long, okay? I can tell you that. They go pretty quickly, and they are not cheap. But that is a beautiful, you know, cushion foundation as well. But stick to creams, stick to liquid foundations if you have dry skin, and especially going into this season. But most of all, make sure you have a lot of skincare on. And I mean good skincare to keep yourself hydrated and moisturized, if you see what I'm saying. Okay? That'll help with any makeup. It'll help it look better as long as you've got just what you need for hydration and moisturization. Okay, the next question down here. Dear Sharon, my name is Patty. Any new products that you have seen out or that you're interested in trying out or testing? Any products to look forward to? Yes, I have several new products that I'm going to be introducing. I'm not going to do it right now, but it's going to be closer to Christmas time that I'm trying out. Now, I'm trying out about 4 new products, actually. I try everything out for several months, 4 months, before I recommend a product. So one of them is, you know, pretty soon it'll be up, the 4 months, the first 2, and the second 2 won't be till later, okay? But I'm still working on that, but they're fabulous. You're going to love them. Okay, thanks for your question, sweetheart. I appreciate it. It says, Sharon, what are the best eye creams that you can recommend? That's easy for me because I've tried them all, tested them all in this lifetime. And if there's a new one, I'll try and test that out too. But right now, the Revision DEJ, it is a medical grade eye cream, is fantastic. It's fantastic under your eye. It's fantastic on the eyelids and up on the brow bone. And I mean to tell you, it has taken all the crepiness away from my eyelid, almost all of it. And I usually use it in the daytime. Now at night, I can highly recommend, obviously, the TNS Essential Eye Cream by Skin Medica. The best. The best. The best on the market. It does have growth factor in it as well as heavy peptides and everything. I mean, it's rolling with the goodies. And All doctors have it rated as and when I say doctors, I'm talking about plastic surgeons, dermatologists, it's the #1 eye cream. And I use that at night under my eye and around my orbital bone. I don't put that one on the lid. Okay? That's a great one. The next one is Neocutis Lumiere eye cream. It is also a medical grade, and it is fantastic. It is just as good as the TNS with Skin Medica. Okay? Now, these are pricier eye creams, ladies, I'm telling you. But these are the best of the best of the best, and I've tested them all. Those are the main ones right there that I would choose one of those, okay? I really would. Because why mess around and keep trying all the stuff that is not working? Or that works for a period of time and then it stops. You want something you can continually use and you know you're getting results daily. See what I mean? Dear Sharon, my name is Joy. Can you recommend a pigment correcting serum? I am having trouble with age spots all over my face and other discolorations. Please tell me there is something out on the market. I'll try anything. Yes. There absolutely is, and I use it frequently. And it is the Skin Medica 2.0 Litera. Now, this is probably one of the greatest products out on the market for any kind of discoloration or age spots. Even those of you that are, suffering, from skin issues in the past and it has left, discoloration, almost scar-looking type. Any of you that have redness that shows through all the time and you just can't get rid of it. But the age spots, oh my gosh. Listen, I never have to use my hydroquinone anymore, ever. Because the 2.0 Litera is perfect. And it is by Skin Medica, but it is going to take care of all your discolorations. It is a wonderful treatment process. You will love it. It is easy peasy, and it is 100% effective. Absolutely love it. Looks like I just about covered it today. I want to thank you so much for joining me, and keep your questions coming in. I always leave my email address down below so you can click on that and send Sharon any question you may have. It can be lifestyle, it can be beauty, it can be skincare. You name it, I'll answer it. Okay, girlfriends? All my new subbies out there that have joined my tribe, mwah, 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 mwah. I just love you girls. Thank you so much for being here. And to all of my subscribers, I want you to stay sassy, classy, and confident, and give me a big thumbs up on this video.